Hello, good morning. How are you all? Welcome to Deeksha Karnataka. We are here with the live for chapter in calculus, application of derivative and continuity and differentiability, right? In the Masterstroke, we have done these two chapters in one shot. So I hope you enjoyed the session. Let me know what you felt about that. And again, Bicha, we are here to solve questions, only questions today in this session, okay? So I want to see all of you. How are you doing? Okay, let me know. Good morning everyone. Okay, so we'll wait for 1 minute, 1 or 2 minutes for others to join. After that we'll start solving the questions. Okay, now bacha, today I have taken very good questions. Like there will be some challenging questions as well, so when you solve these questions with me, you will understand we're gonna solve a quality questions from these two chapters to help our preparation, to boost our preparation. Okay, so just waiting for 1 more minute to start the session. Okay, so I hope that is okay. Good morning Chandan. Good morning. Chaliye, let's start. Quickly join, bacha, come on. So if you look at the first question, I'm about to show you. Good morning, knowledge games. Okay, so still waiting for others to join. After that, we'll start with the session. Quickly, we'll start. Okay, total I have, bacha, today 15 plus questions. I think 17 in total from both the chapters. Okay, we'll start with AOD first, because CND is not that challenging for my students. I have felt that, but still I have taken some good questions. In AOD especially, there are questions where you can get stuck in. That's why I've taken those very good questions. How many questions, sir? 17, bacha, I said, no? 17 questions in total we're gonna solve today. Okay, so let's start. I think others will join after some time. Let's start the questions right away. Okay, so question number 1 would be, let y equals to a times of 1 minus cos theta, x equals to a times of theta minus sin theta, then y regarded as a function of x is maximum when? So maximize y, okay, when it is given as a function of x, when theta equals to what value? Okay, so Navyashri, good morning. So we're gonna do here, bacha, what? Tell me. We have to look for dy by dx, right? And how do you find that? Parametric form, dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. So I'm waiting for the answers, bacha, from all of you. Come on. Good morning Navya. So Navya, Chandan, give me answers. Knowledge, give me answers as well. Come on. Question number 1. Okay. So what is this going to be? Tell me here. This part will turn out to be, only this part if you look at, it'll become a will be there, of course. 1 will be 0, so I can eliminate that. It'll become, bacha, cos differentiation will be minus sine. So minus of minus sine theta for the numerator part. What about denominator, sir? I'll have a again as it is. Theta will become 1 minus sine will be cos theta. So who's getting me the answers now? Come on, tell me. What we do for maxima, bacha? We write the derivative as 0, right? We put the derivative as 0 to find the critical points, no? So have a look. It'll become a and a is cancelled. We'll have sine theta divided by 1 minus cos theta, giving me the value to b. 0 equals to what, bacha? 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 divided by 1 minus cos will be, bacha, half angle formula. Same thing will work. We'll have here 2 sine square theta by 2, leaving me with 2 and 2 cancel. This 1 sine theta by 2 is cancelled. I'm getting here 0 equals to cot theta by 2. So I'm getting, bacha, theta by 2 is going to be, have a look, cot inverse of 0, which is nothing but pi by 2 equals to theta by 2. So my value of theta is, bacha, what? Pi. This is the only critical point over here. Okay, hence this is going to be the maximum. This is the point where the maximum will occur. So our answer would be option number C directly. Okay, please check. Chandan is saying option A. Uday, Kicha, good morning sir, good morning. Navyasri, A. But answer is option C here, no? Please check. Everyone? Yes, answer is C, bacha. Answer is C. So let's move on to question number 2. If you have any doubt, you ask me in the comment section. I'll move on to question number 2. Okay, this is clear. Everything is visible over here. Let's move on to question number 2. The minimum value of sin x plus cos x. Chandan, got it, no? How the option is C. This answer, do we have to solve it, sir? Do we have to solve it? So what is the critical value, bacha? Tell me this answer first. What is the critical value over here? Critical value of x. Tell me bacha, come on quickly, this value. Come on everyone, Chandan is there, knowledge games, others. I want your involvement in the session bacha. If you are all here live, please answer. Whether it is wrong or right doesn't matter. If you are wrong, I'll help you get the right answer. No, that's why I'm here. So please ask your questions. Please give me your answers. Okay. So please everyone, I want more comments from all of you. Okay, more involvement here. So give me answer for critical value of x. Give me answer for critical value of x. Okay, so give me that, then based upon that we'll figure out which is the correct option, but give me the critical value of x. Okay, all right, any problem? Pi by 4, correct, very good Chandan, very good. But pi by 4 is correct, but if I write minus pi by 4, will that be wrong? Will that be wrong? Please tell me. Devarya, Amitesh, bacha 1 by 2 will not be the answer. Okay, you're saying root 2. No, sir, actually minimum value bacha is this, right? Why? I tell you, because the domain which will be from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 na. So both value, this and this will be critical value actually. Okay, we are looking for minima, right? Minima will occur when this is both negative. Okay, so sign will take this condition. Okay, actually we go like this, we take the root, no? Value of this maxima is going to be 1. This is going to be again 1 square, and since root is there, we have both plus minus. We are looking for the negative value, right? It will become minus 1 plus 1, giving me the answer as minus root 2. One of the approach is this, other approach is simply put this value over here. Okay, pi by 4, no bacha, I don't know, knowledge games, what is the no meaning? Okay, so option which bacha, B. Are you saying you're getting a different answer? Knowledge games are getting a different answer? Let me know what you're feeling, what you're saying. Okay, chaliye. Simply, I'll write only one approach over here, which will work out for us. Okay, sir. We have done this question in detail, bacha. Right? We should maximize it. We used to get it like this. If you want, no, I can help you out with this. We should get like this, tan x equals to 1. From there we used to get tan x as pi by 4. Okay, chaliye. Okay, let's move on to question number 3 now quickly. Let fx equals to 1 minus root of x square. Who is solving this? The knowledge games, Navyasri, Devarya, Amitesh, Chandan, Navyasri. Okay, others, why no comment bacha? You are here live, ask your questions, give me your answers. Okay, usually we do the recorded sessions, right? There's no interaction over there, but I am here for what reason? To help you with everything, to talk to you. I said that it will be my, okay bacha, very good. Okay, let's go ahead and solve the third one. What is the answer for this one? Give me one answer for this. Which test we will use? Right, we are looking for maxima minima, no? So we have two approaches. First derivative test, second is second derivative test. Which we are using over here? I'll give you that help. We are using, sir, first derivative test. We are using this one. Now please give me the answers, all of you. Okay, Darshan, I will come back to that bacha again. If you want, I can help you with little bit. Okay, meanwhile others are solving question number 3. I'll give you, Darshan, 1 second of question number 2. We're looking for minima value, right? Check this out. When you're taking root, no, what will happen? This value will become 1. The maximum value is 1. Maximum value of this is 1. Okay, minima will occur when it is negative, right? Okay, this approach you don't like, do one thing. Find the x value from there, okay? And then put it back in this derivative. What is the derivative of that, bacha? It's gonna be cos of x, okay, plus, okay, minus sine of x, no? From there you can put the value there, okay, the x value, and get the answer as minimum value as, what is this going to be? Minus root 2. Maximum value will be this, bacha. This is your maximum value. Okay, this is your minimum value. Let's get back to the question number 3 now. Chaliye. So C option I'm getting very good. Very good. C is very good answer. Excellent answer, bacha. Knowledge games, excellent. Very, very good. C is a very right answer. How did you get it? Simply, sir, I have to define this function again. So we'll define it like this, no? Fx will become equal to 1 minus mod of x. How come, sir, mod of x? Because if you take square root of x square, it will give you both values, plus and minus, right? So that's why I'm taking mod of x simply. Now define, where's the critical point? 0, right? So define fx again at 0. What will get? When x is greater than 0, bacha, I'm going to get this as 1 minus x. How come, sir? This mod will open with a positive sign, hence minus. And I'll have here, when x is less than 0, this will be bacha 1 plus x. Won't you all agree? Find the derivative now. If you find the derivative now, what will happen, sir? What will happen, sir? Tell me. I can simply take this as, it will become negative or minus 1 basically. If you want, I can help you over here. I'll write exact value. It will come bacha minus 1. Minus 1, I'll come as plus 1. Check the interval greater than 0 and less than 0. What are we getting, sir? Decimal. This is 0 over here. After 0, it is negative. Before 0, sir, it is positive. This is sign for derivative, right? Derivative sign change from positive to negative. What is it called as? Local maxima. Amitesh, answer is bacha option number C. Derivative sign is changing from positive to negative. Before x, before 0, what we have? Positive. After 0, what we have? Negative. Positive to negative, right? It's changing from positive to negative, right? Hence, it will become maxima, no? Everyone agree? Darshan, Navyashri, others, please, Chandan, let me know. Option number C is correct for question number 3. It's a good question. Okay, it's a very good question. Simple, but very good question. Please have a look. So, is that clear? Can I move on to the next question? Shall I move on to the next question? Okay, if you have a doubt, you ask me. But answer is bacha option number C. I hope this is clear. Chaliye. Moving on to question number 4 now. Amitesh, I hope you understood now. Okay. A man is moving away from a tower. Excellent question. Excellent question. I want all of you to try this and solve it. I'll give you time as well. Please solve this question. So there's a tower 40 meter high. There's a tower 40 meter high. Okay. A man is moving away like this. Okay. At a rate of 2 meters per second. So basically they have given this value is nothing but dx by dt, right? Is how much? 2 meters per second. Find the rate at which the angle of elevation of the top of the tower, this angle of elevation theta, is changing. Basically they are asking bacha this value, no? D theta by dt they are asking. They are asking us this value, sir. Whereas they have given some condition also 30 meters away from the foot of the tower. Means when this distance is 30, let's call it AOB. When OB is 30 meters, they are asking you to find the value of d theta by dt. Clear? Is that clear? Okay. So assume that the eye level of the man is 1.6 meters from the ground. All right. Chaliye. Can you solve this? Okay. Should I give you this as homework? It's a fun question. If you want, I can help you a little bit. Take this as x, right? Why x, bacha? Because think about this. They're given change in the parameter, this movement OB, as 2 meters per second. So okay, I can take this as x. So write this as what I can write, sir? Tan theta equals to 40 by x. Agreed? 40 by x. So what we're getting from here is x equals to 40 by tan theta. Okay. So I can get it like this. 40 cot theta is my x value. Find the derivative of this. So if I have x equals to 40 cot theta, okay, I'm gonna get this what? Dx by dt will be equal to 40 as it is. I'll have bacha cosec square theta, there's a minus sign of course, times of d theta by dt. Agreed? Yeah. Okay, so this is your answer. From here you have some values. Please mention this value here. We have 2 equals to 40, there's a minus sign, cosec square theta times of this value. We are looking for this value only, right? Cancel this bacha. 2 times of this will be 20. Okay, so I'm gonna get this as 1 by or minus 1 by 20 cosec square theta equals to d theta by dt. Find this value with the help of cot that you already have. Okay, the cot you already have over here. So you can find this, no? This 30 is given, right? So with this 30 you can use and find the tan value or cot value and use that there from the identity. The answer will come as, I think, option number B, right? Option number B, right? Please check, everyone. Check this out. Please check. how much this will be coming as? You'll have to take this as, think about it. So you'll have cot theta as 3 by 4. So 1 plus cot square theta is cosec square theta, right? So what I get, 1 plus 9 by 16 equals to cosec square theta, right? So what I get, 25 by 16 equals to cosec square theta, right? Put it here, I get minus 1 upon 20 into 25 by 16, right? 4 for the 16, 4 for the 20. Bring this 4 over here, I get minus 4 upon 125 equals to d theta by dt. I want the value change, it will be only 4 by 125. Option B is correct. Yes, please check. Okay. Yes, Naveshri, you give the right answer, bacha. Option B is correct. Okay, have a look once again. Let's move on now. Let's move on to question number 5. Chandan, please check, bacha. Question number 5 will solve now. The radius of the base of cone. Can you help me solve this, all of you? But I want the answers to be same for all of you. You're giving me earlier what used to be there, no? In simple sessions, you were all giving me same answers and the right answers. But today, I like it that you are trying and getting it wrong. It's okay. It's okay. You're putting in effort, but you have to change some things. Please work on that. Okay, Chandan. So, very good, Chandan. I would like you to solve the question number 5. Give me the right answer. Come on. Chandan, Navya, Amitesh, Darshan, yeah, Uday, all of you who are there, please solve this question. Question number 5. Okay. Who can solve this? The radius of the base of a cone is increasing. Okay. Increasing means positive. So dr by time only, right? Dr by dt is 3. Okay. I'll not write the unit. And altitude is decreasing. This dh by dt is negative, sir. dh by dt is negative of 4, sir. Okay. Find the rate of change of total surface area. Total surface area for cone, sir, right? Great. We are going back to grade 10. This is pi r square, sir. And this is pi r l, sir. Okay. So let's write it like this. So area will be given by pi r square plus pi r l, and area will be given by, I can write this because we don't want L, no, we want in terms of H and R only. So pi, what I have here is R root of H square plus R square. Now you are solving it and giving me the answer. So cot theta is, okay. Alright, knowledge games. How, sir? Think about it. Okay, I'll give you, don't worry. 1 second. I agree. But your tan theta is going to be, when this value is 30, na, they have given here 30 value. Please check. Somewhere they have given 30. Okay. So tan theta will become what, bacha? It will become 40 by 30, na? So 4 by 3, right? Okay. So it will become 3 by 4. If tan is 4 by 3 means cot is 3 by 4. Agreed, knowledge games? Okay. Let me get back to my question now. Alright, so pi r square plus pi r times of h square plus r square. H square plus r square. Who are finding derivative of this? Chandan, give me answer for 5th one. Yes, so please check. Can you find derivative of this? dA by dt we will find, no? This will turn out to be simple actually. Pi will have 2r and you'll have dr by dt. dr by dt for this part. Plus, let's differentiate in the next step this part, pi r, or I can do it over here. 1 second. Guys, little patient. Questions are very good. It'll take some time. Usually you don't have all these questions coming in the examination. Here I've taken only challenging problems. Okay, some of them are easy, but relatively they are challenging only. So if you differentiate this using the product rule, you have only r here. It will become dr by dt. Okay, then you have a plus sign. Okay, this is as it is. Product rule, right? Product rule, sir, keeping this other root as it is. So this will be as it is, h square plus r square. Now I'm asking you to do this plus sign, keep r as it is and differentiate this value, sir, this root value. We don't have a space over here, so I'll do it in the next step. Please check. Okay, over here what I get is 2 pi r dr by dt plus what I have here again pi check this out, dr by dt. What is dr by dt value, sir? I can write now again. 3 times of, this value is how much, sir? How much is this value? R is, they have given R also. R is 7 and this is 24. So 24 square plus 7 square, bacha, will be 576 plus 49. And how much is that? Root 625. How much is that? 25, right? How much is that? 25. So this will become, sir, 25. What value, bacha? This value. This is coming as 25. This is dr by dt is 3. dr by dt is 3. This is 25, bacha. Plus sign we'll put here. Keeping r as it is. What is r value, bacha? 7 here. So keep this 7 as it is. Now differentiate this part. Interesting differentiation. Not difficult but interesting. 2 times of 1 by 2, right? Root is there. So the coefficient will come in front. So 1 by 2 times of same thing will be over here. Okay. And now we have to do the chain rule as well. So please check. You have to differentiate this part first. So 2h dh by dt plus 2r dr by dt. Now tell me everyone got till this point. Tell me, I'll wait for 1 minute to know that everyone understood till this point. Please check. This step, have you understood, everyone? This is okay. What about this part? If not sure, do one thing. Try to do the differentiation from your side. Simple differentiation only, right? Root is there. Power is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will come in front as the coefficient. And you have to do what? Think about it. 1 by 2 will come. It will become h square plus r square. 1 by 2 minus 1. No, it will become negative of 1 by 2. Hence, the root is in the denominator now. Okay. Now, chain rule is applied to the inside part. It will become 2h dh by dt and 2r dr by dt. Not a problem. Okay. I'm getting options now. Option C. Option C is incorrect, bacha. Please check option D is right. Option D is right. So Chandan, Navyasri, option D is right. Please try. Okay. I'll solve for all of you. 2 pi r dr by dt we have. So I'll write it over here. 2 pi r dr by dt plus pi times of what we had? 75. Okay, 75. All right, and we have 7 by 2, right? 7 by 7. This is 75. 7 by 2 plus 7 by 2 into 25. You will all agree. 7 by 2. This is 25 only, no? From here. Okay. What we're getting for this? 2h times of dh by dt. 2h is, sir, 48. 2 times of 24. So 48. I'll get here 2 times of 24 is 2h and this is, sir, minus 4 plus 2h dh by dt. dh by dt is negative. Have a look. dh by dt is negative 4. What about this? 2 times of 7 times of 3. So we have 2 times of 7 is r and this is, sir, 3 dr by dt. Okay. Let's simplify this. 2 pi r is 7. This is 3 plus pi times of 75 plus 7 by 50 into, this is 48 into 4, bacha, will be minus 192. 50 into 4 is 200, but we are doing 48 into 4. This 48, no, 48 into minus 4 will be minus 192. Please check. And plus 14 into 3, bacha, 42. All right. So I'm ending up here with 21 and 42 pi plus pi times of 75 plus 7 by 50, okay, into minus 150. This is going to be 3, bacha. I'll end up with 42 pi plus pi times of 75 minus 21. So 42 pi plus what I have? 4 and 5, 54 pi. It will become, sir, 96 pi. Please check. Yes, sir, option D. Yes, very good, bacha. Navya is giving me the answer. Mitesh and Chandan is also giving me the right answer. I want the answer from knowledge games also. Please check. 96 pi is right answer. Option D is correct. So I hope you got it. Yeah. Please check. Again, bacha, these are KCET ready problems. These are KCET ready problems. This will be like this only. Okay. So can't help you there. All right. So please check. This is okay. All right. Let's move on to question number 6. The function fx equals to tan inverse of sin x plus cos x. Who's solving this question? Who's solving this? All of you, try. Question number 6. Very good. I want the answer to be right, and you all gave me the correct answer. I know it took time. Even I took time to explain it to you, but it was worth it. All of you agree? So question number 6 over here, sir. What we have? Chaliye, let's solve it. This is simple. Increasing function where? Alright, find the derivative first to find the domain they're asking. No, that's what they're asking. So it becomes, so tan inverse is there. So it means 1 upon whatever is inside, that is square. So sin x plus cos x the whole square. This is very simple. Means positive. This whole thing is such a non-zero, that is very good. What about this, sir? Derivative of this part, cos, sin is going to be cos x. Here will be minus sin x. Okay. Multiply here, bacha, with root 2 and divide this both by root 2. Check the magic now. You'll have here root 2 outside. This is there. Same denominator, 1 plus sin x plus cos x the whole square. Okay. And over here you'll have, think about it, you have this value going to be where to where? It's going to be, sir, 1 by root 2, right? Cos x minus 1 by root 2, sir, sin x. Okay, which will give me this value simply as root 2 cos pi by 4 into cos x minus sin pi by 4 into sin x, and this denominator remains as it is, no problem there. What I'm getting this value as root 2 times of cos pi by 4 plus x na, divided by this same thing, 1 plus this whole bracket sin x plus cos x the whole square. Okay, now this value, which is domain for cos, is going to be where to where? Minus pi by 2. This is increasing, right? We're looking for critical value, no? Option C is correct. Okay, 6, option D is correct, bacha. I'll show you, don't worry. 6, option D is correct. So this value cos will be from where to where? So this angle has to be from here to here only, no? Think about it, from here to here. All right, chaliye. Now you can solve it from here. Yes, bring this over here and this over there. You get minus pi by 2 minus pi by 4 less than x less than pi by 2 minus pi by 4, giving me the answer to be minus 3 pi by 4 x pi by 4. Have a look. None of the options are correct. None of the options are correct. Hence option number D is right. Very unlikely, but yes, option number D is correct. Have a look. Difficult? Okay, but you can solve it very fast. Chaliye. So everyone, I think, got it wrong. Okay, Chandan, I hope I can understand you got it wrong. Negative sign is important, bacha, because they have given here, no, dh by dt was decreasing. They mentioned that's why. Okay, please have a look. This is clear. 6 is done. We'll move on to question number 7 now. Option is D, bacha, over here. Question number 7. If y equal to this, who's giving me answer for this one? Question number 7. Answer for everyone. Very good, Chandan. Option D is correct. So Shagufta, Navyashri, we have knowledge games, Chandan. Option 4, question number 7. Chaliye, let's increase up our speed. We'll have simpler questions, I think. From here, this is very simple, right? This is not simple. Find here y of minus 1 by 2, bacha. This will become, sir, 2. This will become, sir, negative. We'll open with a negative sign, no? Let's look for negative sign, bacha. Let's look for negative sign, sir. What will happen to this, bacha? Okay, will be minus x. This will be going to be again minus 1 by 2 plus minus 1. So negative again will become negative sign. So plus x minus 1. Over here you'll have positive. So no sign change. Minus 1. Think about this. You have this and this cancelled. Only that is left. This and this is cancelled. Anyway, find a derivative. Find derivative over here. 1 second. So derivative will become simply minus 1, no? There. So for this derivative is nothing but minus 1. For this x will be minus 1, right? So derivative is minus 1. So same way, find y 1 by 2. Okay, you'll have this 2 as it is. So this will open with a positive sign. So plus x. This will open with a negative sign again. 1 by 2 minus 1 is negative. So it will become, bacha, plus x minus 1. Over here 1 by 2 plus 1. Again, sir, positive only. It will become minus x minus 1. What I have so far is x and x is cancelled, rest is again cancelled over here, doesn't matter anyway. Derivative will be bacha, derivative will be plus 1. Derivative will be, this value is derivative, no? So plus 1. X derivative is how much, sir? 1. Minus x derivative is how much, sir? Minus 1. Okay. Knowledge Games is saying me answer is A. So Navesh is saying option C. But answer should be option number D. For the 7th one, answer is option number D. Please check. Y at 3 by 2. Okay. It will become same thing. 2 plus x. Positive also. Here 3 by 2 minus 1. 3 by 2 minus 1 will be again positive, right? So this will open with the minus sign only. So minus x plus 1. This will be positive. So minus x minus 1. Okay. What I have over here is this and this is cancelled. This constant doesn't matter, constant, because we are looking for derivative. So y dash is how much for this value? Simply minus 1. Simply minus 1. Find the other case as well. Y of 5 by 2. You'll have 2. You'll have same thing will be there, no? Plus x plus 1 minus x minus 1. Again you'll have this and this cancelled. Constant doesn't matter. For this part you'll have answer for derivative as minus 1. Add all of this. What are you getting? Sum of all of this, sir. Minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Answer is minus 2. Answer is minus 2. Please check. Question number 7 is done. You don't have to actually solve all of the steps. I have solved it to help you out understanding the question. But you can actually look through this question, understand where is this opening. Think about it. No, 3 by 2 and 5 by 2. It is both positive, right? So we know this is the same thing. Both will come as minus 1, minus 1. Only the change is over here. So we have to find the first two. From here you can see rightly it is going to be minus 1 over here. This is going to be cancelled over here. So this is going to be answer is option number D. Moving on to question number 8 quickly. Who's solving this question? Again, don't have to solve the entire question. One step can give you the right answer. One step. X sine A plus Y equals to sine Y. Looking for derivative, right? So X equals to sine Y upon sine A plus Y. Think about it. If you differentiate, sir, bacha, of course, derivative dy by dx will come in numerator or denominator. Answer me this question. Please answer. If you take the derivative of this, you have to use what, bacha, over here? Quotient rule. The dy by dx part will come where? Numerator or denominator? Answer me this, please. The derivative dy by dx will be coming in numerator or denominator. Please answer, everyone. Chaliye. I want your answers, bacha. Whether it is numerator or denominator, let me know. It's going to be Amitesh, Knowledge Games, Chandan. Let me know the answer, bacha. This is going to be where? Navestri. This derivative dy by dx will come where? Numerator or denominator? Think about it. You have differentiation only in numerator, bacha. You don't have in the denominator. So of course it will come in the numerator only, no? Do you differentiate in the quotient rule in denominator? No. What is the quotient rule, bacha? It just gives you derivative over here, and you have this as simply sine square A plus Y. Yes or no? Sine square A plus Y. Yes or no? Yes. For that reason, of course, this will be in denominator, no? And you'll have derivative in the numerator somewhere. You'll have some term over here and some term, of course, over here also. I'm not doing differentiation. That you can do, I know that. Just understand, you'll have dy by dx over here. They're asking you dy by dx value. So, of course, this will be coming over here in the numerator. If you take this bacha on this side, it will become like this, no? Sine square A plus Y about something over here will be equal to dy by dx. Look for the suitable option. Option A. Agreed or not? All of you, tell me. Come on, question number 8. Yes, this is the way to do it. Chaliye. So let's move on to question number 9. You can do the quotient rule, right? Let's move on to question number 9. Chaliye. So question number 9 is going to be, again, very simple. fx is differentiable everywhere. Then which of the following is correct? Again, yeah, Naveshri, very good. Question number 8, answer is A only. Correct. Question number 9, answer would be what, bacha? Again, a very simple question if you know the concept. Mod will have a corner point. So of course, you cannot say, bacha, this is again incorrect, no? Differentiable. Only answer is not differentiable. Hence option C is correct. चलिए, very good Amitesh. So let's move on to बच्चा question number 10 now. These are easy questions. Just if you know the concept, answer is in front of you. Okay. The son is saying A. Yeah, बच्चा. Previous 8th one was A. 9th is I think C, right? 9th is C. 10th now. Same concept. Give me the answer. Sir, without looking, we'll keep it. See, again, these are not CBSE question. These are not your NCERT question. These are from KCET ready problems. Okay, I have referred a textbook, a reference book, again for your question bank and all. From there, I've taken the problems. So these are KCET ready problems. So means similar question can be expected, sir. So very good problems here. Be with me and solve all the 17 questions. Chaliye. So let's move on to question number 11 now. C is clear. Same concept. Modulus is there. You don't have continuity in the modulus. Sorry, you don't have, forgive me, differentiability in the modulus. Continuity is there, right? Okay. So continuous but not differentiable at x equal to 0. Fx equals to e power x sin x. Then this answer, who's giving me this answer? Chaliye. So question number 11, right? Can you find the third derivative, sir? Of course we can. Find here, sir, f dash of x. This will come as product rule. E power x can be differentiated. It will be e power x only. Sin x as it is. Next, plus sign. E power x kept as it is, we'll have cos x. Okay. So what I have over here is e power x sin x plus cos x. This is my first derivative. Okay. Chaliye. Or I can use individually also, right? Yeah. Let's find the derivative. Okay, 1 second. I can do it actually individually. That would be better. That would be simpler and better. Okay. Chaliye. So we have, if you look at this, this is going to be the same as fx, no? So for this derivative, if I'm doing again second derivative, this will turn out to be the same thing. So e power x sin x plus e power x cos x. This is just for this part, both of these. Now we have to do this part as well. So plus sign, differentiate e power x, keep cos x as it is, and then bacha keep e power x as it is, differentiate cos x. So minus sin x. Okay. Now I can just simplify this. Take e power x common. You have sin x plus cos x minus sin x. So e power x, we have 2 over here, cos x. This is my second derivative. Okay, chaliye, option D. Option D for question number 11. I don't know which question is this, Navashri. So let me do the question number here. How are you going to solve this part? F triple derivative of x will be given by 2 is a constant outside, keep it like that. Differentiate e power x will be e power x, keep cos x as it is, plus e power x as it is. Differentiate cos x, you'll have minus sin x in the product of cos. We'll get here 2 times of e power x common, cos x minus sin x. This is your answer. Option B is correct. 11th one, please check. Yes. Bacha, Navya, answer for 11th is B, not D. Yes, Amitesh, your answer is right. Others, I'm not getting the answers from all of you. I want the answers, bacha. What happened, Chandan? Are the questions difficult? Too much? Let me know. How are the questions? Okay, let's move on to question number 12 now. I hope you're finding the questions, useful to you. Let's get on to the question number 12. Who's giving me the answer for this one? 12th one, Navya, Darshan, Amitesh, Chandan. Give me the answer for 12th one. You shouldn't even solve it. This should be direct answer. Come on. Answer is option number B, sir. Directly, sir. How come, bacha? Think about it. 1 plus this is square. Derivative of this, bacha, you'll have 3a sin square theta times cos theta. है ना? अरे dy by dx भाई, it'll turn out to be dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta, right? So this will become what? 3a sin square theta times cos theta. Over here what I'll have? I'll have, again, for x we'll have a with 3, so 3a cos square theta times minus sin theta. Okay, so one of the sin is cancelled with this, one of the cos is cancelled with this. What I'm getting, 3a and 3a cancelled. I'm getting here minus tan theta for dy by dx. this expression will become 1 plus tan square theta, because negative will be squared up to make positive. This is sec square theta in the root, so we'll have both plus minus. Option B is correct. Thank you, good knowledge games. Okay, sorry, question number 12, option B is correct. Very good, Chandan. I wanted that from you. You should give the right answers. Usually you do give. Okay, so thank you for that. Let's move on to question number 13 now. Quickly we'll solve. Okay, question number 12 is done. Anyone having doubt in question number 12? I don't think you will have. In 12th you won't have. In previous ones you might have, but 12th you won't have. Question number 13 shall we do? Okay. All right, sir. Who's solving this question? Question number 13. Sir, challenging. Is it? Try. What is our approach, sir? Whenever you see power, I've taught you this, or product, apply logs. Okay. This is again your C and D, differentiability, differentiation. What are you gonna do? Think about it. You're gonna take this as log cos x to the power y equals to log cos of y to the power x. So this will come in front over here. So is this, you'll get here y log cos x equals to what we have over here is x log cos y. Here again you'll have to apply product rule on both sides. So do this, you will have dy by dx, okay, times of log cos x remains as it is. 1 second. So I think you must have given me some answers by now. So log cos x remains as it is. Then sir, keep y as it is. Differentiate log cos x, you'll get here by cos, and here you'll have minus sign. This is for log, this is for cos. Okay, this is complete. Let's move on to this step. Keep derivative of x, will come out as 1. Keep log cos y as it is. There comes a plus sign. Okay, now you have bacha x as it is by cos y times of minus sin y dy by dx. Okay, dy by dx. Can you simplify this? Bring this term on this side and this term on this side. What I'm getting? Have a look. I'm getting here dy by dx is common. I have here as log cos x. Okay, and what about this side? Think about it, it's gonna become x tan y, no? Sin y by cos y. Sin y by cos y will be tan y, right? Negative of this will come over here as plus x tan y. From here you can get the answer actually. Think about it, I want dy by dx, so whatever is this will come in denominator. So log cos x plus x tan y, option C is correct. Option C is correct. Directly, I'll show you, don't worry. This is it. What about RHS bacha? You'll have log cos y and this will become plus, right? Plus we have y tan y. Correct, huh? Y sin by cos is tan, negative will become positive if you're moving on that side. So y tan y, what I have, I want to find dy by dx, right? So get rid of this, you'll get here log of cos y plus y tan y divided by this, sir. Log of cos x plus x tan y. Okay, this is sir y tan x actually. 1 second. This is sir not y. This is not y. This is tan x. Okay. I made a mistake over here. Forgive me for that. Please check now. Log cos y plus y tan x upon log cos x plus x tan y. Clear? This is clear. Okay. Please have a look. So option C is correct. Option number C is correct. Please have a look. So I'll take some second for you to understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in this question. I don't think you will have. Simple question, looks big but simple only. Question number 14 now. The derivative of this. Who's solving this question? Come on. What happened? Why so silence? Chandan, take log on both sides. Very good. Very good, Chandan. Your answer was right. 12th. Yeah. Okay. Cleared, sir. Very good, very good, very good. So the derivative of y equal to ln cube tan square x power 4. Giving me answer for this. Who is giving me the answer for this? Question number 14. Question number 14. Bacha, please check if my audio is clear, because I just think I pulled the wire of the mic, but just check once. Am I audible? Okay. So dy by dx will turn out to be what? Will turn out to be what, sir? Please check. First, you will have to apply exponential powers whenever you have. Okay. So 3 will come in front. You'll have 3 coming in front. Okay. This ln square will remain as it is. So ln square. Okay. The same thing will repeat. Tan square x power 4. First property is done. First derivative is done. Second, sir, complete chain rule. Okay. Thank you, Chandan. Thank you, Navya. So this is correct. First chain rule is over. Second, bacha, apply for log. First for exponential function here, cube. Second, sir, for log. Third, sir, for tan. Sorry, third for bacha for exponential function. Then for tan. Then for x power 4. So many are there. Yes. So we have check this out. X power 4. This part is done. We'll have again divided by this thing. Whatever is in the log will come in denominator, right? So tan square x power 4. Now derivative of the same thing, right? So I don't have a space over here, so I'll limit it tan square x power 4 as it is. Now I'll repeat this whole steps over here. I have 3 ln square tan square x power 4. Okay, this is already there actually. Tan square x power 4. This is under the ln. Don't cancel this. Okay. Now differentiate this. Will come as 2 times of tan x power 4. Again you'll have differentiate tan now. This is for the power of tan, exponential function. Okay. Next comes polynomial function. Next comes the tan. It will become sec square x power 4. What else, sir? You'll have again for x power 4 as 4 times of x cube. So check the constants that we have. We have 4 into 2 into 3. 3 into 2 into 4. Making it 24. Okay. We have ln square. Achha, before that we have x cube also. So let me write it over here only. It'll be easier to write. I'm writing a final answer, okay? Yes, option C is correct. Everyone has given me the right answer. Option C is correct. Very good. Excellent. Okay. So 24x cube we have here. Then comes ln square tan square x power 4. Check this out. This will cancel over here. Oh, 1 second, I've made a mistake. Not the whole thing, right? You have a square term over here. You have a square term over here. Only one of the tan will be cancelled. Okay. What else we have? So one of the tan is cancelled. We have taken all the constants outside. It's going to be sec square x power 4. X cube I've taken already over here. Divided by tan x power 4. So giving me as option number C. Yes, knowledge games. Yes, Amitesh. Excellent, bacha. Okay. So 14th is done. I'm getting the right answers from all of you. It has taken some time, but you all are giving correct answers. Okay. Moving on to question number 15 now. Y equal to cos inverse. Who's giving me the answer? I've taught you this question in my session. I've taught you this question when I was teaching you continuity and differentiability. Okay. So I want the right answer for this one. Question number 15. Come on, give me the answer for this. I'll take some water. Sorry, I'm just a little under weather. Voice is a little breaking. I hope that doesn't concerns with the session's audio quality. So question number 15, please check. A. Excellent, bacha. Excellent. A is right. Very good, Navya. So excellent question. Okay, excellent answer. Question we'll see now. So we have to find a derivative for this part. You're going to use this concept. 1 plus sin x will be written as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. This is nothing but basically 1 plus sin x is coming as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 the whole square. Agreed? a square b square plus 2ab. A square b square plus 2ab. How this, sir? 1 is there. Cos square plus sin square is 1. This, sir, sin 2 theta, half angle formula. Okay. So cos x by 2, sin x by 2 the whole square. Same if I'm doing for this part. Sin x will become over here as just the negative sign. Cos x minus sin x by 2 the whole square. Chaliye. Knowledge games, come on, welcome Navya. What you can do about this, y equal to cos inverse. Yes, cos inverse. Knowledge game has given the right answer. Others, okay, what will happen to this bacha? There will be a big fraction over here, right? There will be a big fraction over here. I'll need more space. Okay, chaliye. Let's take from this side y equals to cos inverse. You'll have this plus sign, so we'll have to use this part. Cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 for this part, negative part here, minus sin x by 2. Okay, divided by, this will again be cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 plus minus sign is there, so we'll keep a bracket. This whole thing will come again without the root of cos. 1 second, I made a mistake. It is not divided by whole thing, only for the angle, right? Yes, minus sin x by 2. Check here, this is cancelled over here, and here cos and cos will be cancelled, plus and minus. What I get? Cos inverse of cos plus cos, so 2 cos x by 2 divided by 2 sin x by 2. I think I have the answers. Okay, 2 and 2 is cancelled. What I get, bacha? Cos inverse of cot x by 2, right? Okay, I think there's a mistake here. This should be bacha cot actually. It should be cot, so. Okay, this is a typing mistake, sorry. I think this is a common question, so you got all of the answer right. But this is not cos, this is cot actually here. It will become x by 2, derivative of this will be, sir, 1 by 2. Forgive me for right now. I want to make an apology. I have made a typing error. This is not cos, this is cot inverse, sir. The question is cot inverse. Otherwise, you can't operate. No cot inverse of cot. If it is cos inverse, you can't operate over here. Okay. Navya is asking, sir, can you tell us if we see one shot of every chapter from now, can we score good and one shot video is enough for KCET or what, sir? But I'll take your questions. Just let me complete the questions that we have. 2 more we have. I'll take a generic question at the end of the session. Okay. I'll wait. Don't worry. I'll not leave until I help you out. I will not leave. Okay, just give me 2 questions to solve. 5 minutes will take. We'll complete and move on to your questions. Okay, so I hope you got this part right. This is not cos inverse, it is cot inverse. It is cot inverse. Okay, so this is clear. Answer is 1 by 2 only, but option here, the function was cot, not cos. Moving on to your question 15 is done. Question number 16 will solve quickly. What about this? Just giving me answer for this one. What happened? Knowledge games. Come on. Amitesh, question number 16. Can you solve, bacha? Question number 16. Again, same approach. We have to apply the log. So it will become log x to the power x equals to log y to power y. X comes in front. Log x. Y comes here. Log y. From here, again, product rule will be there. Can we solve it? Of course, sir. Will become, if I solve for x first, it will be 1, keep log x as it is. Again, x keep as it is, differentiate for log, you will have 1 by x, okay, equal to, differentiate for y, so we'll have dy by dx, keep log y as it is, plus, sir, this time keep y as it is and differentiate log y, so 1 by y, you have to differentiate for y again, so dy by dx. How comes, sir? Chain rule. How comes a chain rule? First for log y is 1 by y, for y dy by dx. What we have? X and x is cancelled, y and y is cancelled. I'm getting here 1 plus log x is the LHS side. RHS bacha, I can take dy by dx common. Let's just do that. We have log y plus 1. So my answer would be very simple. Dy by dx equals to 1 plus log x divided by 1 plus log y. Answer is option number D. 16th. Yes, Nanda. Yes, Chandan. Sorry. Correct, bacha. The best option was D, bacha, not C. Please check your answer. Amitesh, your answer. Knowledge games, your answer. Missing. Okay, I don't forget. I want your answers means I want your answers. After this we have one last question to solve. Okay, then I'll wait for your questions. Moving on to the last question of the day. Giving me the right answer is going to be, oh yes, Sohan, very good Sohan, answer is D, but correct bacha. Giving me answer for question number 17, the derivative of 2 power sine x the whole square with respect to sine x. Not with x sir, with sine x. Do one thing, take y as 2 power sine x the whole square, and this you can take as, I can take p also, not a problem, sine x. What are they asking? dy by dp. I know weird values, you can take any variable, okay? You can take st, you can take uv, anything is okay. I have taken yp, accept it, okay? Chaliye. Yes, very good knowledge games, very good Amitesh. Chaliye, this question, what is the right answer? I'll give you some time to solve it. We have time, just 2 minutes. You will try and solve and let me know the answers, okay? Okay sir, differentiate this part bacha. Simply like this, no, dy by dx divided by dp by dx. This is very simple, it's gonna come as cos x, no? From here you can check, dp by dx is simply, sir, cos x. Cos x. So for that reason this cannot be there, that option is gone, because we'll have no cos x, because of the differential, division will get cancelled. Option D, 17 is option A sir, very good Chandan, excellent, excellent Chandan, very good bacha. Okay, can I solve it now? Okay, let me try this. dy by dx. Okay, before that it will not be over. You have to take, sir, power is there sir, take log na sir. Okay sir, so we'll have log of y equals to, we'll have sir sine x to the power square, of course the power 2, log of 2. If you take log, no, over here this power, this whole thing will come as the coefficient, right? This whole thing will come as the coefficient if you take log. I've done that, okay? Log 2 is a constant, so our life is simpler now, okay? Differentiate it, 1 by y dy by dx equals to, differentiate this, I can keep log 2 outside, not a problem. So 2 we have as a coefficient, sin x, and we have cos x. Okay, I can take 2 as a coefficient over here also. It will become 2 times of log 2 sin x and cos x. Okay, you will make a mistake taking this as sin 2x. Don't do that. They know the answer as sin 2x. So don't do that. Students make this mistake. 2 sin x cos x or sin 2x. Formula is making. Something will happen. But here, there is no sin 2x. Okay, so don't do that. We'll get this as, take this as a power. It will become log 2 power 2 sin x cos x is there. So I want dy by dx. No, so I'll write here dy by dx equals to, I'll erase that y equal to sin. Okay, and multiply this y on this side. So it will become y times of this whole thing. What I'm getting now, check here, y is what bacha? The same thing, no? 2 power sin x the square log of 4 sin x cos x. Sin x cos x. Divide that by cos x, you'll have only this part left, sir. You'll have only this part left, sir. How come? Divided by cos x, no? So you can, if you want, you can put it over here. This whole thing divided by cos x. So this whole thing actually, this whole thing will go on this side. Cos and cos will divide. Answer is bacha A. Correct. Okay. Now, sir, how much marks is required in KCET for getting rank below 10,000 in boards? I got 240. Please say, sir. 240 is not bad, but I think it would be around average bacha. The competition is very fierce in KCET. If you would have given Comet K, then it is easier, but Comet K has disadvantages as well. So KCET, you'll require a very good marks bacha. You have to, I'll tell you what, very honestly, first of all, understand this question. No doubt here, answer is A, right? Everyone, clearly visible. So I'm answering knowledge games answer question now. Understand this. Pick your subjects very clearly. you can score very good marks in chemistry and physics. Okay, I know I'm a maths teacher, but I'm telling you, I was a student when I was studying, when I was doing my preparation, okay, and for JEE, I chose chemistry my favorite because easier to understand. So try to score highest. So I'll not tell you overall marks. I'll tell you chemistry you score 50, 55. Yes, you go above and beyond in chemistry. You can follow our channel for chemistry content. Everything is available. Quality content is there on our platform. You follow that. Chemistry is very important. Second, maximize your physics. If you're very good in maths, then good. Otherwise, maximize your physics marks as well. I'll try to score over there around 45. Maths, even if you score 35 to 40, you'll get a good rank. I hope you answered the question. Knowledge games. So I would say chemistry, target chemistry 50 plus, target physics 45 to 40 this range, and target maths bacha 30 to 40 range. Closer to 40, 35 plus you can say, 35 to 40 range. You'll have a good rank. At least you should have a bare minimum rank over there. Okay, but bacha, competition is very difficult. What you do know, I'll tell you what. In mathematics, focus on PU2 portions and focus on easier chapter first. Get your marks in easy chapter because bacha, difficult questions are not coming all the time. So if you see the paper now, you'll find only out of 60, 20-25 questions will be difficult. Rest 35 is very simple. So focus on that. Even if you get 5 questions right in difficult category, 35 you get right here makes 40. Isn't that works? So easier question you cannot get it wrong. That is one thing. Easier question you cannot get it wrong. So 35 questions has to be right. If you get 5 right here, 6 right here, it becomes 41. Isn't that a good marks? Any dropper here? Okay. So I hope this is clear. This question is clear. I hope you found the session bacha useful and helpful. I have a question from Navya. I will not skip bacha. So can you tell us that if we see one short video of every chapter from now, can we score good and one short video is enough for KCET? Bacha, if you are here, this is today your day one to start one shot. You're not studied anything, then of course it will not be good enough. Think about it. You've not done the hard work for the whole year. Somebody, let's say I have not done the hard work for whole year and I studied today and get good marks. Isn't that unfair to you who have studied the whole year? So that doesn't it works. That's not how it works. Okay. So if you have studied, okay, in batch in previous month that you had, then yes, KCET one shot will help you complete the revision, because we are trying to come here with one shot sessions to revise every concept in the chapter in one shot, briefly, of course not in detail, briefly, and solve some questions on it, important questions on it. Again, practicing over here. So that's how you can complete your preparation, your revision you can complete, but whole thing will not be able to complete bacha, of course. But if you have studied the whole year, I'm telling you Navya, if studied the whole year, this will be good enough. Chaliye. So I have taken your question, Navya. Amitesh says, is NCERT and PYQ enough for sir mathematics? Bacha, for what? For boards, for KCET? I'm asking you a counter question. Sir, I'm prepared but always losing any revision. Please tell me how to score above 120 marks. Okay. So what I'm asking Amitesh from you, look, the thing is, if you are, let's say if you're running a race, and if you've done very good work initially, but you give up half the way or you give up at the end, I tell you what, this happened to me. I play badminton every day, okay? I lose almost half of my games every day. Reason being, I play very good, but I lose every time because of me, my faults or something happens. Last 3-4 points I lose and I end up losing the game. So this time has to be maximized, and this time in preparation is called as revision. You studied a lot, but if you have not revised your concepts, your mind cannot recall all of that properly in the examination. So if you think revision is difficult for you, you have to spend more time. First of all, feel confident. Break your revision in smaller portions. Okay. So let's say you are studying maths. So break your entire revision in smaller parts. Let's say I'll do sir matrices today. I'll do sir calculus part today. Okay. Whatever you feel is more comfortable to you, do that first today and get aced in that. You get very good in that, then move on. Break your revision in smaller parts, smaller goals, and do it. Don't leave it for next hour, next day like that. Please do it, Amitesh. I hope you answered a question. Navasri, thank you, bacha. Tech NEET JEE aspirant. I'm asking, is NCERT example important now? So, bacha, I'll tell you what is good. But if you know syllabus questions, what happens? NCERT example I've seen. I've taken questions from there to teach you all. So what happens there? No, you have a lot of things out of syllabus. So if you can avoid that, then it will be good enough. So please avoid extra things. Focus on the concept that you've learned. Let's say I want to learn integration. So I'll go ahead and learn questions on integration, then come back quickly. Don't get lost in that. So you have to you have very less time right now, Sohan. So you have to be focused in the preparation. Don't lose time on anything which is not coming for examination. That can be done beforehand, not right now. Knowledge has to be developed earlier. Right now you need to score marks, right? So I'll take your question now. Sir, I am KCET dropper from PC. My PCM score is 292. Very good, 282. How much marks I have to take in KCET to get below 5K rank? So, rank analysis, I'll tell you honestly, I have not done. But as I said, this marks category I gave over here, this marks category, please, if you're able to get 282, you should be getting this score very easily. Focus on this, you'll have a good rank. If you can get good marks in physics, try to get it to 50, 45 to 50, and maths 35, 40 will be good enough. Okay, so I hope you answered your question. Tech NEET JEE aspirant, I hope I answered your question. I'll tell you exactly, I don't know exactly the numbers in terms of rank and your marks, but your marks is good. I congratulate you for that. With little bit of effort, you can get very good rank, better than 5K actually. Believe in yourself and work hard every day. Ankush, sir, board preparation. Sir, motivation KCET. Okay. Bacha, being here is not motivation. I'm coming here every day on time, not even a single minute late to help you out. Is that not motivation? I am motivated to teach you. Why not you are motivated to study? Okay. So again, what type of motivation? I'll tell you what best motivation is. What happens now as a student, I was a student, right? Don't get overwhelmed by your preparation, that whole module. Very difficult. Break the entire thing, bacha, in smaller goals. What you can do right now. Don't think what I have to do. So I have to do so much. Get lost in that. Think about what is to be done today. Plan your today. Let's say today is what day? Wednesday, no? So what I'm going to do on Thursday, I'll plan tonight. In chemistry, I will do this topic. In physics, just start chemistry. A motivation thing is basically a schedule. Make a proper plan. Make your day great. Work hard on your day and keep doing that consistently. You'll get a very good result. Don't you agree? Okay. Think taking drop is good or not, but it depends upon students to students. It can be good. I'll tell you what, I have taken drop. Okay, I'll tell you, I did not study for any competitive examination in my 12th. I only studied my boards, and then after 12th I went and studied in Kota for 1 year, and I did my preparation there, and I studied for competitive examination. I got an average rank in NITs, and so I selected Comet K. I got a good rank in Comet K. Okay, so it depends, bacha. For me, it turned out to be good. For you, it might be different. Okay, but if you're here already taken, then believe in yourself that you're gonna do good this year. Try to take negativity out of it. Don't have negative thoughts right now. If you've taken it, you're gonna make it work. I believe in you. You should believe in yourself as well. Okay, sir, I'm fearing so. Motivation, please. Bacha, why fearing? Okay, I tell you, you get fear because first of all, it's a good thing, right? If you are, let's say, somebody who has not done anything, or somebody who has done less preparation and not feared, means you don't care about your preparation. You are fearing means you're cared about you're actually concerned about your preparation. Now what to do is get your goal set for tomorrow and today, and get started. Getting started is the first thing which is very, very important. Okay, everything is available. You have, and try to focus on limited resources. Don't get study this also. You don't have time for all of that. Okay, so try to limit your resources and keep working on it. I'll take some water if you agree. Okay, yes, bacha, any other question? Which lesson tomorrow? Which lesson tomorrow? I think today only my integration is coming, right? Okay. Anything else? Boards clear? Ankush, Tech NEET JEE aspirant. Anything else, bacha? So if there's no question, sir, I have purchased Arihant PYQ book. Bacha, any book. Try to avoid a book which is, Arihant is good enough. I think it's pretty good. So try to get a book which has less mistakes in it. What happens, I'll tell you, books have mistakes in it. Okay, in the answers, in the options. So try to get a book which is standard. Arihant is pretty good. Okay. Okay, Nabhasri. So thank you for being here. I know I have taken a little longer session. I tried to promise you to take a lesson, session of 30-40 minutes because you have less time. But if you're here from the beginning to end, it actually means a lot to me that you am able to add something to your preparation. So with this, bacha, I'm gonna end the session today. Please keep working, on your preparation. Try to break whenever you feel overwhelmed. No, do one thing. Think about what you're gonna do in the next hour. This is your answer. If you're feeling I have too much to do, you're stressed, do one thing. Think that what you're going to do in the next hour and do that. And like that you keep breaking, you'll do good. And push yourself. You're tired, don't want to do anything, solve one more question. I want to, sir, quit right now and go and take my breakfast. I'll tell you, I know it's harsh, but do one more question, then you leave. Try to push yourself. I know you can do it. Okay, so MTG book, sir, I am having, that is good or not? Good, bacha. That is also good. So your name, if you don't know my name is Ankit Srivastav. Okay, I am taking maths on our platform Deeksha Karnataka. Also we have for SSLC and 10th grade another platform. There also I'm taking mathematics. Okay, so with that, bacha, sir, Kannada, very little, bacha. I understand little. Okay, but don't test me. I am not that good in it. I'm sorry for that, but I'm not able to speak very fluently. I know numbers, I can converse, I can get my day-to-day commute done, but not very efficiently speaking in Kannada. That efficiency I don't have. So sorry for that. Okay, so that's it. I'll end the session now. All right. So there's no other questions or concerns from your side. I wish you all the best today. You're gonna make this day, Wednesday, useful. You'll study. You have sessions coming up. Prepare for that. Study for that. And again in the night, push yourself. Get 6 to 7 hours of sleep and rest all time for studies. I know it's harsh, but you want to do it. That's why you're here. Okay. Chaliye. So with this, I'm ending the session now. Sir, which channel for 10th? Bacha, our channel is there, no, for 10th grade, Deeksha Vedantu Foundation. You can check. We have Deeksha Vedantu Foundation only for 10th grade. We have started a lot of concerns and series over there. Excuse me. You can go ahead and check it out. Okay, Ankush? Bye, Nabya. Okay, I'll see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye. Any other question? Okay, bye, sir. Thanks. Bye, bacha. Bye, Knowledge Games. Okay. So, if you got stuck in these questions, no, solve it again. The sessions PDF will be available in the WhatsApp channel. Sessions PDF will be available in the WhatsApp channel. I'll put it there. You make sure that you solve it again if you get stuck. I hope you like the questions. Okay. So, bye. This is it. Bye.